The zinc kettle is the most critical component of a hot dip galvanizing plant. Its service life and operational safety depend heavily on proper care during installation and initial operation. One of the most important requirements is the position of the heated surface. The lowest part of the heated area must be maintained at least 100 millimeters above the dross layer. Heating too close to dross causes localized overheating, rapid corrosion, and early kettle damage. Temperature control is equally essential. The temperature at the inside kettle wall must not exceed 480 degrees Celsius. Higher wall temperatures significantly increase iron dissolution and reduce kettle life. The galvanizing kettle must also be protected from direct gas flame contact. This is achieved by installing fire plates, which ensure uniform heat distribution and prevent hot spots, distortion, and thermal stress. It is important to understand that the safety margin is extremely small. The difference between the optimum zinc operating temperature and the critical inside wall temperature is only 30 degrees Celsius. Even a slight overheating can push the kettle into a high corrosion zone. Therefore, controlled heating, accurate temperature monitoring, and disciplined burner operation are mandatory. By maintaining correct heating height, limiting wall temperature, shielding flames, and respecting the narrow temperature margin, a new zinc kettle can achieve long service life, stable galvanizing quality, and safe plant operation. Proper kettle care is not optional, it is the foundation of reliable hot dip galvanizing.